Quite a few people have asked what they should do if they witness people breaking social distancing rules. Over the past 4 weeks, Gwent Police have been responding to intelligence received from the public. If you witness antisocial behaviour or groups gathering in your community, they want to hear from you. Gwent Police is currently experiencing a huge volume of calls and messages to its control room regarding COVID-19, and these will be prioritised according to the threat, risk and harm that they pose. To help Gwent Police deal with the demand, please contact them via the social media desk using Facebook and Twitter if possible. If this is not possible, call 101. Please only call 999 if there is an emergency or a threat to life. Gwent Police officers are out and about in our communities, and if you do have a concern, please do not be afraid to speak with them directly, as they are there to help.